Life often feels like a financial market, unpredictable, volatile, and constantly testing our ability to stay calm when everything shakes. And right now, the world stands at a true turning point. A financial crisis doesn't begin when prices fall. It begins when trust disappears. When investors stop believing in what used to be safe, government bonds, large institutions, even stable currencies, the entire system starts to tremble. The dollar remains strong in 2025, but its strength hides deep tension. High interest rates keep inflation in check, yet they also weigh on growth, debt, and corporate earnings. The Federal Reserve has managed to stabilize the economy, for now, but every decision feels like walking on a razor's edge. American companies are still leading the global economy. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq have both reached record highs this year, driven by the technology and energy sectors. But behind those numbers, profit margins are tightening, consumer confidence is uneven, and the cost of money is higher than ever. Meanwhile, China faces a slower rhythm. Its exports have weakened, the real estate market continues under stress, and the Hang Seng and Shanghai Composite remain far below their post-pandemic peaks. Europe, on its part, moves through stagnation, inflation still bites, energy costs stay elevated, and productivity barely grows. So the question is not whether a new crisis could happen, it's whether we're ready when it does. True protection doesn't come from fear or waiting. It comes from balance. Gold and silver continue to prove their value as timeless stores of wealth, not for profit, but for preservation. The US dollar, though imperfect, remains the global safe haven when volatility dominates. For growth opportunities, US equities, especially in sectors like technology, defense, and energy, show the resilience that other markets lack. And Bitcoin, volatile yet increasingly mature, has shown it can move outside the system, a digital hedge in an analog crisis. Because a financial storm doesn't destroy wealth, it transfers it. From those who panic to those who plan. From those who chase noise to those who understand structure. Every crisis, in the end, exposes who was unprepared, who stayed still, and who had the clarity to move when everyone else froze. So as the next turning point approaches, ask yourself, will you let uncertainty decide your fate, or will you decide how to act? Because it's never the collapse that defines us, it's the decision to rise again. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Share this video so more people can enjoy it. I'm Juan Blisa, and everything shared here is the result of meticulous research, verified through reliable and internationally recognized economic and geopolitical sources, because truthful information is never improvised. Thank you for your support.